You're watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. The Malaysian ambassador to Cambodia has said that Prime Minister Hun Sen and the royal government of Cambodia have handled the COVID-19 pandemic perfectly. So if countries want to learn how to respond to such crises better, they should learn from Cambodia. EAC News reporter Anthony Ellis had the privilege of interviewing the ambassador of Malaysia to get some of his thoughts about what he has observed in Cambodia.
Sitting down with an interview with the Malaysian ambassador to Cambodia, Datuk Eldin Hussaini Muhammad Hassim, he shared that he thought the Prime Minister Hun Sen and the Cambodian government handled the COVID-19 pandemic perfectly, hence other countries should learn and follow Cambodia's stellar example. From how the government initially addressed the viral outbreak to how they formulated a complete action plan implemented with great success and rose awareness among the public, the ambassador expressed that he was very impressed by Cambodia's ability to quickly and effectively respond to the global health crisis.
I've always been saying this repeatedly, even to Malaysian officials. If you want to learn from Cambodia. The Prime Minister and the government handled COVID so perfectly in terms of how they address the issue and how they have a complete plan of action, and then how they execute it. It was so wonderfully done. It was and that's why you did not see any spike COVID in Cambodia, because it has been controlled. I think the awareness to the public was done very quickly. The instructions to the public was done clearly, and then the way that they do the prevention, like offering masks for free, simple things like that. Offering masks for free was only done at the earliest country was Cambodia, and the rest was thinking, how do we do this? Do we sell the masks or do we do the masks? But Cambodia said no, masks are free. That is one thing that things that we learn from Cambodia. Then of course, prevent and control, and how you prevent people and create awareness to the people. Especially difficult if you go outskirts for the villagers, people who do not know and understand. How Cambodia did it was so beautiful, because they convey them not only through media, not only through television, but also through radio. And that is something that we need to learn, through WhatsApp, to call. So what we learn is the Prime Minister, Samdech Techo, recorded his message, and everybody will listen either to radio or everybody will just share to the phone. So everyone will hear what the Prime Minister had to say. Look at the vaccine. Cambodia was among the first to receive vaccination and give vaccination to all, including the foreigners. I think Cambodia is one of the countries who give priority to foreigners as well. The embassy was given all a full jab, then the foreigners. So nobody was left behind. So I think that was something that we need to learn from Cambodia, because how you control, how you create awareness, and how you disseminate the information, and how you give to the people, I think that's wonderful. That's why I said you have to learn from Cambodia.
The full in-depth interview EAC News conducted with Malaysian ambassador will be released soon. Anthony Ellis, EAC News.